this is a beginner drone which you have to see. So let's go fly it and I'll tell you about all the features, then we'll come back to a Doug score from 1 to 5 and let you know what I thought of it. Alright, while this drone is up in the air, I need to tell you this was provided to me to do this review with absolutely no instructions. So if it sucks, I will tell you it sucks. I have had one before, so I know it doesn't suck. This is the DEERC D20. It's a mini drone. It is 720 HD with FPV, so that means you can actually see where you're flying on your cell phone while you're flying it, which is a really cool value add. It has altitude hold, which means it's nice and stable. It has a headless mode, which is very easy for beginners, so you kind of don't fly it from the perspective the drone's facing it. If you tell it to go right, it goes right. Tell it to go left, it goes left. Really nice. Has one key starting, has speed adjustments, like you could choose low speed, medium, high speed. It does 3D flips, which is absolutely so much fun. It comes with 2 batteries, which is really nice, so you can be playing with it while one's charging and then swap it out. It is super easy to use, which is just such a nice thing, especially for a beginner drone. It does come with blade guards, which I highly recommend just because if you're gonna fly it in the house or you're gonna fly it near anything, not that you're gonna really hurt anything, but you will hurt the drone. So if you catch one of those blades on a bush or your mom's artwork in the house and it stops that blade from spinning, it breaks the gears in there. So if you put the blade guards on there, which doesn't affect the way it works at all, you put the blade guards on there and it can kind of slide by most of the time and protect it, and you're gonna get more life and usage out of it. I think there's only one thing left to do. Let's go back inside, we'll do an unboxing and we'll do that review. All right, here it is, the venerable DEERC D20. You've seen it fly, you saw it do a little bit of stunts, that kind of stuff. Let's talk about a review. So I have had this drone for a while, and I know they've done some subtle iterations, so I was like, let's try a new one again. I do need to tell you it was provided to me to do this review, but with absolutely no instructions. They're always great. They just send it and they're like, play with it, let them know what you think. In any case, here's what I think. This is obviously not sparkling with new technology or anything like this. It's a very basic beginner drone, but oh boy, is it a good one, right? It is super solid. I think I hit the camera 3 times today trying to shoot this video for you, get some cool shots, right? It is a durable, solid, reliable drone. Like, it just always works, flies well. My one tip to you is, you can see it's a little windy out here. If you're not gonna use it indoors, you're gonna use it outdoors. If you leave it in the slow speed mode, struggles a little with the wind. So I just bump it up one mode to a little faster and then it handles the wind just fine. So if you find yourself fighting with the wind and it's not working so well for you, just bump it up one speed. I think you'll find it works much better. Speaking of how it works, like I said, works perfectly. All the basic functions work great. It does have FPV, hooks up to the app, which works flawlessly. The image quality is kind of lame, right? This is a very basic beginner drone. It's just kind of like a fun little gadget for a young kid, that kind of thing, and they might enjoy the video. You're not taking it on a YouTube adventure and making cinematic videos with this, right? It is a toy. As a toy beginner drone, it is super fun, super easy to use, crazy durable. I gotta give this a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This is one of my favorite little beginner drones. Hope that was helpful. See you next time. All right, here we are in the past. You saw it fly, you saw the review. Now you want to know what comes in the box if you were interested in it. So let me open it up and show you. All right, so within this box, you get instruction manual. Highly recommend you read it. They're all a little different, so it's good that you know that ahead of time. I'm gonna make you wait to see the drone, although you already saw it fly. I don't know why I'm really doing that. Okay, here are the charger, some tools, those blade guards we talked about, all really cool. This remote is one of my favorites. Take a look at this. I do love that they now include like the basic instructions. Again, just everything to make the experience easier. So that's great. You have that right there, so you can pick it up, you're ready to go. I love the little finger, you know, like you can put your fingers in there and hold it. You get a good grip out of it. This just flips up to do FPV. You put your cell phone in there, you fly, you got a trim button on and off, super simple. On the other side, you have your speed controls, emergency stop, camera on, camera off, all those kind of things. Super easy, great remote control. I really love the size, I love the shape, the features, how it works. Here are your batteries, 2 composite batteries. And then what you've been waiting to see, although you already saw it, I've been waiting to see, or although I already saw it also. This is my second one of these. I just wanted to do it again, update it, because I really think this is a great drone. Here you go. This is what it looks like. Overall, I love this thing. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.